Kids English Channel, KiKiLand.
Get up. Get up. I get up in the morning. Brush my teeth. Brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. Wash my face. Wash my face. I wash my face. Eat my breakfast. Eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. Get dressed. Get dressed. I get dressed. Comb my hair. Comb my hair. Comb my hair. Pack my bag. Pack my bag. I pack my bag. Wear my shoes. Wear my shoes. I wear my shoes. Go to school. Go to school. I go to school. Learn and play. Learn and play. I learn and play. Have lunch. Have lunch. I have my lunch. Come back home. Come back home. I come back home. Do my chores. Do my chores. I do my chores. Help around. Help around. I help around. Play outside. Play outside. I play outside. Eat my dinner. Eat my dinner. I eat my dinner. Take a bath. Take a bath. I take a bath. Get ready for bed. Get ready for bed. I get ready for bed. Go to bed. Go to bed. I go to bed. Don't forget to subscribe and like for the next video.